How to resize and move images in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone! Are you struggling to get your images just right in your Word document on your phone? If yes, then watch this video. Launch open the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device and log into your account. Now open up the document containing the image you want to adjust. After opening up one of the documents, go ahead and tap on the image you want to resize or move. Double tap on the image to select it. Now, you'll be able to highlight the image. You'll see small blue border with dots. Click on the edit button and then you can easily see the handles around your image. Drag the handles to resize your image. Drag it inwards to shrink or outward to enlarge the image. Avoid using the side handles unless you want to stretch the image horizontally or vertically, which can distort it. To move the image, press and hold the image until it slightly lifts from the page. Then you can drag it around the page and place it in the desired area. Release your finger to drop it in place. So that way, you will be able to resize and move images in Microsoft Word mobile application like a pro. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.